In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Smartsheet ownership. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to hand over the reins of a Smartsheet item, whether it be a sheet, report, or dashboard, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. This is a particularly handy skill to have, especially in collaborative environments where responsibilities shift or when someone might be leaving the team. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Smartsheet item, which could be a sheet, report, or even a dashboard, depending on what you need to transfer. Navigating to the correct item is the crucial first step, as you need to ensure you're amending the right project or file. Take a moment to double-check the name and any relevant details to confirm it's the exact item you're intending to work with. Once you have the correct item open, the next step is to click on the Share button. This button is key to accessing the sharing settings for your Smartsheet item. You should find it fairly easily on your screen, typically represented by an icon of a rectangle with an upward-pointing arrow or simply labeled Share. Clicking here opens up a new set of options that allows you to manage your project's sharing settings. Now that you're in the sharing settings, you need to locate the user whom you want to transfer ownership to. This might take a bit of scrolling if you have a long list of collaborators, but you can usually quickly spot their name by using a simple command, like using the search bar provided in many sharing settings interfaces. This ensures you can swiftly pinpoint the exact individual, avoiding any mix-ups or errors that could arise from choosing the wrong recipient. With the user's name in view, look for the drop-down arrow located next to their name. This little arrow is your gateway to additional options related to the user's permissions and roles within the item. Clicking on it will reveal a list of choices. Among these options, you will find Make Owner. Select Make Owner, and there you have it. You'll transfer the ownership of the chosen sheet, report, or dashboard to the specified individual. At this point, it's generally a good idea to notify the new owner of their new role, so they're fully aware and can take up their responsibilities without any gaps in management or oversight. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you efficiently transfer ownership in Smartsheet, ensuring a seamless transition and maintaining the smooth operation of your projects or initiatives. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Smartsheet tips and tricks.